Hey guys, so I haven't talked to you since I've started this spring break vlog, but we are on our way to West Virginia. We're actually in West Virginia right now for a service trip. It's part of this program at my school, so that's where we are. Right now I'm in the Dairy Queen bathroom because I just wanted to update the vlog. Yeah, we're getting lunch right now, and then we're gonna keep going further down into West Virginia, and then we're gonna stop again for dinner, and then I'll show you guys that as well. And then when we actually make it to the resort or the place we're staying at, I'll show you that. So just wanted to update you guys on where we're at today.
Some to use some water as well. A water? Yes.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, no
you
problem.
can fold it.
You know that the milkshakes are all handmade. I make those and we scoop them out. And
Just a little bit like it. Thank you. I'm not showing faces because we all look brand new and dusty, but it's fine. Guys, we made it to West Virginia. We just ate at the diner and now we're at the place we're staying. I have some real sketchy vibes about this place because, let me just show you. So this is the dorm, and there's not really much else to it. I'm just nervous for what to expect because, yeah, I have my hair tied up right now. That's why I have my hood on. But guys, like, what the, I don't know. I'm a real clean freak, and like I'm stressing the fuck out because there's bugs and there's dirty stuff everywhere. And if this vlog doesn't get posted, then I'll probably talk about it in a separate video about my hijacked spring break. But this is a quick view of the rest of this place. They have like really cute murals and stuff everywhere from each university that comes here. I don't know if there's any guys. Okay, this is the boys' dorm. There's no one in there right now, but I'm hella nervous. Have no idea what to expect. So yeah, pray for me. Ladies.
look at Luck. With the video camera, she looks all refreshed. Taco overload.
Why are you eating?
Sunday. Yes. Are we good?
That's so funny.
That you eat like that.
shopping for a little house dinner. We're loading up the truck. This is the grocery store in West Virginia. It's called Grant's Supermarket.
Yeah.
And now we're loading the car. Everyone else is inside.
We don't have breadcrumbs though.
That's fine.
So we're not gonna do the crispy things?
No, we're just gonna cook them. So good morning, guys. I haven't talked to you all yet today, but we just finished grocery shopping. We're all coming out of Grant's Supermarket. I'm not sure if this is going to go up on my channel yet, so that's why I'm in between whether or not I should vlog or not. But if I do feel like something good is happening, then I'll vlog it. Leaving this beautiful park. It's so pretty. This lake. Hey guys, so I do want to do a quick update. We went to Dollar General and we bought a few little souvenirs and stuff. They had West Virginia gear and I'm so happy they did because I really wanted to buy something from West Virginia. Because I always get a souvenir wherever I go. So I got that, and then I got this little West Virginia keychain. And then I also got this West Virginia dad tee, I guess, if you want to call it that. It looks like this on the back. It's football. It says West Virginia, and then it has a little West Virginia logo on the back as well. We then, after that, went out to the lake. And we've been here for maybe an hour or two. We ate lunch out here. We had time to explore. We did some activities with our group. Right now I'm just sitting in the car because it's cold outside. They're playing on the playground after our activities. And then we're going to head back to the, what is it called? The resort. I don't know why I keep calling that a resort. It's not a resort. It's not like fancy. We're going to go back to the place we're staying in. Then we're going to start cooking dinner. And then there's other dancing and singing activities for the night. My phone cracked while we were out here. I'm pretty sure somebody stepped on it when we were trying to take pictures and stuff. I set it down on the bridge, and when I picked it up, it was cracked. So I'm a little upset about that. My mood's been a little bit down because I don't really get a new phone until I buy it myself in September, which is a few months away. So I'm gonna have to deal with this cracked phone for a minute now. But yeah, it's really upsetting. But we're just gonna keep it moving, keep our spirits up. I did not bring my vlog camera out here because I wasn't trusting this. We're literally in a mountain. There's nowhere for me to hold it. I don't have pockets. I have a drawstring bag, but that's a lot to keep going in and out just for a camera. It would have been nice to get some really good pictures though because of the camera. I should have brought it, but I didn't. We just used someone's iPhone 8 Plus and took good pictures. But yeah, that's it. Look at where we're parked right now. On this freaking mountain, and the road is down there. Painting a wall. We just did all of this. We're gonna do another coat, and then they're also painting over here.
I don't know about your hand. This entry here is just shy of 16.5 foot wide.
How deep is the water? Oh, I can stand here.
That's over. You stuck in there.
Hey, everybody, turn around.
Take a picture of Jen in there.
Look at where we are right now.
I was like, what is
This is so beautiful.
Alright, everybody.
I'm not ready. I'm videoing. Good morning, guys. So today we are tearing out the floors of a house, and I'm about to show you guys what that looks like. These are all the boards that we've torn out so far, and other groups have helped before us. Now we're gonna take a look at the house. Hey guys, so I don't know if I've talked to you all day, but we came back from our site trip, little adventure. We showered and now we're cooking dinner tonight. Every group had a night to choose to cook dinner, and today is our night. So I'm going to show you guys the process of us doing that. Don't curse in my vlogs. We made dinner tonight, vegetables and chicken, garlic bread, buttered noodles, salad,
Yeah, she did her thing.
drinks.
Yeah.
Get out. And then we're waiting for the brownies and the ice cream. You want to be in it?
No, I was already in it.
You sure?
Cooking. Yeah, I was already
Good job, you guys.
Make sure you get the seasoning in there.
Right.
Make sure they can see it. No, we hooked it up.
What?
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 That's how she should be talking. Wait, what's your
Yeah. I think Katie's hungry. She's just like, I just woke up.
Dinner once again. And then this is the dessert we made. Brownie with ice cream and caramel syrup.
Yeah.
We're putting down the pipe and gravel. I have 1%, so I'm gonna try and do this quickly. Hi! And it goes down out that way. Up in the mountains right now, guys, and it's so beautiful. And that's our pipe, but those are these mountains. This is how far we got. There's this much left, and right here. Hey, Katie. All right, we're done. Fun trip. Fun trip. So right now we all look like this from the mud of the trenches. I mean, not trenches, but the ditch. And we're all gonna put our clothes in bags and get clean. Right now we are at the railroad tracks, as you can see behind me. Everybody getting their pictures in. I got mine. Now we're gonna go and try to do the lake. There's a little like stream that we can hear in the house, and we're gonna go and try and do that. But just to show you what's going on, everybody is taking their own pictures, and they look all cute. We just took pictures by this beautiful stream, river, whatever you want to call it. I sat on that little part right there and took some cute pictures. It's so beautiful here. And then you can see all the mountains in the background. The sun literally just set, which is okay because the picture still came out pretty good. How are the noodles?
They buttered, you know what I'm saying? They good.
So good. There's a little bug on my camera, but it's fine. Alright guys, so we finished with our activities and the talent show and everything like that. And then also we did a little thing where we wrote little notes to each other on a piece of paper with your name on it. And that was really, really cute. We got some cute messages from that. And then we did a little yarn activity where we said one word that meant something to us about this trip. And my word was adventures, because I learned so much. I ventured so much. I went out of my comfort zone. And I feel like that fit all under the word adventure. And right now everybody's cleaning. That's why there's like nobody in here. We're supposed to be cleaning the bathrooms, cleaning our beds, and making our sheets up for somebody else who's coming in the next few weeks. And then right after this, we're going to paint the mural. If the mural is finished and I remember, I will vlog it and I will do a little pick action right now, or do it over this clip where I'm talking. But if not, I'm sorry. But I just want to go ahead and end this vlog here while I'm still in West Virginia. Tomorrow we're just heading back, so I know that's gonna be boring to vlog, but it was super fun. I had so much fun here and I love this trip so much. But that's all for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace, dudes.